Hello and welcome back to Buddy and the Boss, guys, where today we've got the Vevor wire machine hooked up to the generator out there, and we're going to do a first test of this nice big thick copper cable. So we have a look at what size hole it goes into. Obviously it's going to be this one. So we start off by turning on the machine, or not, and we have to plug it in first. As you can see, it is unplugged, so we'll just turn it off for a sec, and give me 1 sec, guys. I'll put this in. Alright, plugged and secured. Alright, got the cable ready. Cable machine is operating. Now check this out. We push him in and we just let him go. Look at that. Just let him go. And out the other side comes copper. Look at that. Look at all that copper. So there she goes. Just feeding in all that wire. There you go. There it comes out the other end. Pure strip copper there now, look. Just give me a sec, look at that. Right, so to take that off, we're still running. There you go, guys, look at that. Put my foot on that and just reap it all out. Rip it all out. Rip it all out. It's hard to do with one hand, but there you go, guys. There's one big strip of copper wire. Now we come back, we grab the other one. Simple as this. Put it in the hole that's designed to go through. Let it do its thing. Alright, I'm not touching it. Just letting it do its thing. And look at that. Pure money coming out of that machine. As you can see, all I did was put it in. And then if we just grab that off, like that. Put our foot on it, just so I can show you. And there you go, look at that. Easy stripped copper wire. So we'll get this wire. Look at that. So that's our copper. Just for that, that's all done. Alright, there's no strings on it. It's all, oh yeah, one little bit of sticky tape we've got to take off. There it goes. And now that's ready to be cashed in. So I've got a bucket over here. Ow. And then we just throw it in there. Take that basket out. And there you go, guys. There's all your bright wire. $18 a kilo. I've got the fire going this morning. And there's a general look around camp at the moment. It's my caravan. So we've got a few more cables to strip down here. So I'm going to run those through the machine. And that's about it, guys. Other than that, it's an absolute beautiful morning, and I'm going in for a few billies. This is Buddy and the Boss. This is the Boss. Out.